So in a previous post, I showed you how Python programming can let you print important things over and over again, and if that wasn't awesome enough, I just wanted to show you how Python programming might be able to help save your soul. So I wrote this little program in about 5 or 10 minutes, and it's a quiz that asks you random questions, but you can set it up to ask you random questions that would be important for saving your soul, obviously. So you can ask yourselves questions and study questions like, Joel is a hellbound heretic, true, and all the answers are going to be true or false. Eek is awesome, false. John Wesley was a Christian, false. I mean, you can ask yourself anything that you really want to, and I'll put the code in the post so that you can reuse it however you might feel it will help you. I mean, you could add any kind of question you want, like you should read Joel's blog, true or false. Well, we all know that's false, and we need to study those kind of things to make sure that we don't end up in hell, obviously. So I'm going to run the program just so you can see what it does. So it opens up in the Python shell here. So we get our first question. Luther started the Reformation while inebriated. I mean, that's an important question to know the answer to, and you can practice it. True. Yay. Cool, you got it. So it gives you a little bit of encouragement there after you answer the question correctly. Greek is awesome. Well, that's obviously false. But I mean, you're saving your soul by practicing this and studying the answer to these questions. The Orthodox are Orthodox. Well, that's false, obviously, even though Esteban would tell you differently. Now let's see what the program does when you answer something incorrectly. Here we have Joel is a hellbound heretic, true or false. Well, we know that the answer to that question is true, and we need to practice that and get that right. But let's just say that we answer that as false. No, wrong. Study to save your soul. I mean, that's an important reminder that these are things that we need to know. Eek is lame. Well, that's obviously true. But I answered it wrong because I spelled it wrong. See, the program wants to make sure that you get that answer exactly right. You have to type in true, not tour. So now you can kind of see the power of this quiz program. So hopefully it'll be a help toward your eternal salvation.